Good day, Ayomide Adebanji, and I'm applying for the RAIN Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Scholarship. In my final year studying Geology in university, I'd always felt a level of frustration. We're learning mostly theories, not learning how to solve actual problems. We're just learning to pour back into paper. I used to think that all there was to take was just writing code, and that technology was something that I could choose to embrace or choose to push away, not realizing that it is the key to innovation, building the future across every industry. Now I know better. Nigeria and Africa generates massive amounts of data, but most products aren't built first for us. Companies outside Africa access our data, build solutions for their markets first. I want to work alongside others to change this narrative, especially now with AI, to build systems that are Africa first, designed specifically for our unique data and challenges. From studying geology in university and to working on projects as a UX researcher, I've gained two critical skills: how to analyze complex systems and also how to view the problems of others as my own. I have foundational Python skills for data analysis, but I need Rain's world-class artificial intelligence and machine learning training to build the solutions that I envision. What excites me about Rain is that I wouldn't just be learning how to code, but I'll be taught to be a builder of Africa's technological future. My vision in 30 years is an Africa where we've used data and AI to solve problems in energy, food security, and also to build better planned cities. But this will only happen if our best minds stay home to build here. My success must prove that one can be world class while being homeland focused. That Nigeria can be a destination for our highest ambitions and not just a stepping stone. I'm ready to commit fully to this mission. And most importantly, I'm open to being taught and being shaped into the builder that Nigeria needs. Thank you very much for considering my application.